Spring onions, also known as scallions, are a popular vegetable used in many cuisines around the world. Here are some of the health benefits of consuming spring onions. High in nutrients. Spring onions are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals such as calcium, iron, and potassium. Promotes heart health. Spring onions contain compounds that can help reduce cholesterol levels and promote a healthy heart. May have anti-cancer properties. Spring onions are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect against cancer by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Boosts immunity. Spring onions are high in vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. May help regulate blood sugar levels. Spring onions contain compounds that may help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes in blood sugar.